For decades, Volvo produced cars that were just as plain and boxy as they were safe with a capital S motor. Volvo continues to delight us with models that are even safer, but with a design that's much more elegant and expressive. All 2024 XC40s are powered by the same engine, a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder making 247 horsepower and aided by a 48-volt hybrid system. Power goes to all four wheels through a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission. That time is nothing to complain about in a compact crossover. The exhaust note, on the other hand, is raspy and coarse under heavy throttle. The XC40's towing capacity of 80 months of compact luxury crossovers remains a stout 3,500 pounds. Every XC40 is powered by a turbocharged four-cylinder engine, with all-wheel drive that scoots along nicely. And Volvo hasn't skimped on standard safety and assistance technology. An electric version is also available if you're looking for an eco-friendlier option. But we review the XC40 Recharge Set. Contemporary Swedish styling meets fun and functional design inside the XC40. The cabin's light and airy atmosphere imparts a truly upscale vibe even in the base core trim. Top-of-the-line Ultimate models sport a classier appearance, with driftwood trim and a shift knob crafted from Orpheus crystal. In our luggage test, the XC40 managed to accommodate 23 carry-on suitcases with its rear seats folded.